Today for reading, we are reading the books The Day Jimmy's Boa Ate the Wash by Trinka Noble and Snakes and Other Reptiles by Mary Schult. So remember, to get to the reading part of your assignment, you click on one of the book titles. If your computer does not remember the login, okay, so it could look like this where the login is already in there, or it could just look like this and it's blank. If you don't remember, you can go to this slide that says Reading Instructions slide. You can click on that and it will give you the login. So here it already has the username and the password. So I'm just going to press login. And I can watch the story. Jimmy's Boa Ate the Wash, and then I can go here and read the book Snakes and Other Reptiles. And then I can do the puzzlers, so the word match, fact or fiction, which came first. I can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. So when I'm done doing all of my reading activities, I'm going to click out of this and into my writing journal. So I'm going to respond to what I did in my reading part of my assignment. So something that you found interesting is the first thing you're going to respond to. I notice is a great sentence starter for that. Make sure you have a period at the end of your sentence. Then you're going to record a question that you had, either before, during, or after your reading. A good sentence starter for that is, I wonder, and don't forget your question mark at the end. Last but not least, you're going to make a connection to what you read. A great sentence starter for that is, this book reminds me of, don't forget your period at the end. When you've checked that you have complete sentences with capitals at the beginning and periods or a question mark at the end, then you can press the X and the blue turn in button. Don't forget to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes and practice your reading either with the books that I sent you from Walmart or other books at your house or on Epic Books.